and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. Today I got my Ipsy bag and I thought I would open it up for you guys, do a little bit of an unboxing. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I just got this in the mail and I actually don't remember what the theme is today. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's reminds me of like an 80s, I don't know what this material reminds me of, but it's giving me like 90s vibes for some reason. Let's open her up. Open her up. Okay, it's Game Face. Fact, you've got this. Whether it's running a 5K and nailing a job interview or consisting of a skincare routine, everything you need to crush your 2018 goals is already within you. I like that. I will conquer. And it's got a little line so you can like fill it in. That's kind of nice. So you have like your little goal like up on like I have a tack board and I can do a little dream board for 2018. Okay, and let's see what else we have. Ooh, what is this? It is a Fierce Flicks. Ooh, it's an eyeliner. I'm always down to try new eyeliners. I'm usually really particular about my eyeliners. The last one Ipsy sent me, which was the EM Cosmetics, I really loved. So let's see what she looks like. It's very cute. Ooh, it's a little thicker than what I normally use, but I think it'll do the job. Ooh, very smooth. I dig it, I dig it. Down to try a new little eyeliner. And then I have, ooh, it's cold. That's really cold. Like colder than everything else in here. It is a Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. Gently resurfaces and detoxifies and brightens and tightens and soothes. Also mouthful. 10-minute facial. I dig it, I dig it. I like it. I'm always down to try a new mask. So the next thing we have is a little, ooh, the bomb. Mary Lou Manizer. Manizer? Ooh, and it's a little highlight. Oh, I dig it. Let's do a little swatchage. Ooh, I do like that. That is pretty. I dig. I'm always down for a little highlight. A little shimmer. Okay, ooh, Luna by Luna. It is an eyeshadow. Open her up. Ooh, I like this. That's a pretty color. It's kind of like a rose-ish color. We'll do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh, that is beautiful. Ooh, I love that. I am always down for a shimmery eyeshadow. And the last thing we've got is, I've never heard of this. So Susan liquid lipstick, long wear, and it's a matte. And it's a nice kind of mauve-y color. I do love mauves. I think a good 50% of my lipsticks are mauves. So I mean, let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. That is a pretty color. It's more on the pink side. I do like it. It is very pretty. We'll see how long it takes to dry down because, ooh, it smells really good. It smells like, God, it like smells like something from my like childhood. What does it have in it? It's cruelty free, which I'm always down. It's like that, it's a bubblegum smell. It literally smells like this is kind of terrible. It smells like the bubblegum, like cough medicine from like when you're little. But I always liked that smell as a child. I was a weird kid. But it was, ooh, I really like the smell of this. Ooh, I dig it. It is nice. Oh my goodness, I really do like this. I think I just like the smell, really. So we got a liquid lipstick from So Susan. You can see that? Because it smells like my childhood. A little mud mask that is really cold to the touch, which is a little strange because nothing else in this is cold, but this is literally like ice. like a cold pack, like in my hand. Interesting. Maybe I'll try that tonight. Blue lotus extract is a powerful antioxidant. White clay purifies pores, bamboo gently exfoliates, ginger detoxifies, mushroom brightens the skin, white tea soothes the skin, rice barn water promotes clarity. Latte. Okay. So we've got the liquid lipstick, the little face mask, the beautiful eyeshadow by Luna. Can't wait to try. And a little highlight. So we got 4 things in this time. Last month I think I got 5. I know I did get 5. The liquid eyeliner, which I really want to try. It is Bly. I'm gonna butcher this. It's a London brand. I'll put it in the description box. Link it in the description box below, which I will try to do with all of these things, or do my best. But that is all we got today. Oh, and the color of the eyeshadow by Luna is Juliet, and the color by So Susan is Raisin Fresh. Well, that's all that I have for you guys. This was a bit of a short one. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. I will be here absolutely every single Saturday and sometimes on Wednesdays. And as always, I love you guys very, very, very much. And until next time, bye!